We're just getting rescued. Hello everybody! And welcome to Abdul and Abdul Adventures. And Muhif is with us, so both the Abduls here. It's gonna be epic.
Third time lucky, Raz. It's gonna be awesome.
For sure, for sure.
Okay, Abdul Abdul's Adventure, we are finally on the waterway.
How far have we come, Raz?
We've done about a mile.
How far have we come?
Oh yeah, use our fancy thing to turn that way. Alright, that's where we came from, but we can't really see it. Those faraway houses past that crane and took more to the left. The mall.
Hello everybody! Welcome to Insta360. Today we're going to that island. All the way behind that island. Obviously you can't see it. You will do very, very soon. There's another fort on this island where we are, but we can't see it. There's a fort on this island. Yeah, this is the one now we can't go to. Apparently it's got CCTV.
Made it, Raz. Nice one, bruv.
Oh wow! Oh, this is just amazing feeling, man. I don't know what to say. Like third time lucky, I suppose. Everything just was perfect. But we're not finally done yet, are we? We have to get to the fort. We just landed on the island. We have to find a way in, my friend.
I've got an idea. Should we stick the drone up?
Okay, we're off. Hopefully, oh my god, we can get through this. Don't have any footwear, so that's going to be a bit mad. We've got a foot over there. Great thing with the 360 camera, we could edit that back in later on. At the moment, what I'm doing is seeing myself. Now, right in front of me is our beloved leader on this course. He's scouting out for recording spots, etc. Oh my god, he leaves a piece of wood there. That's where the bloody snakes and shit live. Right, it's an adventure, Raz, relax, and back to the adventure. Dude, this is too scary, bruv. This adventure's just way too scary for me. I need better footwear. Ah! How do we get in there, bro? That's the question. Alright, there's the boat we saw on the drone. Ah man, I almost fell into that pond over there. I'm coming back up this way, mate. Yeah, I did tell you to get the long trousers, but I didn't get the long trousers myself, so here you go.
Look, you ever wondered what's in them?
Yeah. Foam. Let me just follow your path. Where are you? Over there. Here you go. Whoops. You found the bridge? You found it? Ah, my man. No, this adventure's too much, bruv. can't be doing this. Watch where you're going, man. There's like holes and... Ah, this is just way too scary, bro. I'm going home.
Here you go. Damn, this place is big. That is big, bro. Oh. Oh. Ew. I'm stuck. Oh.
How long does it take us to get here? Raz? 2 hours, 3 hours?
2.5. You got here. Ding! Got a bell on that.
Raz, this place is wicked, man. What is this place? You know?
Well, I've done a bit of research, top of my head, I'll let you know. World War I was when they first commissioned it, before that. And I don't know, for some reason, they pulled the plug on both the forts. There's two of them. There's one here and the one we saw on the way. The other one, we can't land. We're not allowed to go there. It's no man's island. But both of them, strangely beautiful forts as they are, both got decommissioned early on. So yeah, there you go.
It's like a fireplace, look.
Is there?
It looks like a fireplace.
Oh, the middle one. So somebody already used it up there. There you go. Maybe we could bring some food and like camp out here and spend a whole day here. And if it rains, we've got shelter. Oh, we've got some bad boy shorts, man. Okay, finally conquered. Let's see what we've got going on.
Are we allowed to be here, Raz?
Well, this one we are, so we're good to go on this one. The other one, people say you're not allowed there, and there's signposts up there and stuff. I haven't seen any signposts myself.
I reckon this place is haunted, you know. I'm not staying here long, mate.
Well, it's bloody scary. It's a fort. It's an army thing, so it's gonna have bad vibes about it. It's been abandoned for a while, and seems quite peaceful now, man. I don't know. 15 minutes! We need to get a move on. The tide's going very fast. This place is really spooky. You see all that water out there? It'll be gone in no time.
Raz, it's been 2 hours, bro. We're not going anywhere. What's going on?
What buoyancy aid?
Right.
We're just getting rescued. These are our angels. Nice.
You good, Kieran?
Okay, skipper. Thank you very much. What's your name? Who are you?
I'm Stephen.
Thank you very much, Stephen. Who are you, sir?
Kieran.
I'm Jack.
Wait. Sorry, Jack.
There we go.
Nah, I'm there, Jack. Jack, who's next?
Ellie.
Thank you, Ellie.
Morgan.
Thank you, Morgan.
And Lucy.
Thank you, Lucy. Loose. There you go, Move. All yours, mate.
Saving Club.
Woohoo! Move, what's going on, bro? What's happened? Why is your car the only car here? And why is that gate closed? Okay, this is a little bit behind the scenes on Abdul and Abdul Adventures. Well, this looks a bit weird. It's in fact obviously our kayak. Now, after every adventure, it needs to get dried out.
Okay. Take care.
Move more this way. And then you will hit concrete, trust me.
What happened? Cramp.
No, yeah.